I spent 7 days, 8 days in the hospital detoxing, and then the rest of the time in the rehab. I'm trying to put together a forward plan. I'm not supposed to be talking too much, but to take aftercare and go back to another rehab here locally and work on getting better. And I'm being proactive with that, Your Honor.
He's had to change insurance.
That's all we ask, because the problem is that some people can, and some people can't,
Sure.
Addiction, it's a lifelong, and it's a persistent monkey that's on your back that will never let go. It will constantly grab at you. So if you're not proactive about it, that's when it grabs you by the boo-boo, and it just doesn't go well.
Yes, sir.
I just need to make sure that you're not using, number one. Number two, most importantly, that my public is safe, because I certainly don't want you in a car unless, everyone is protected. And the way we know that is that you don't have alcohol on board. So what I'm going to do now, because you've been so AWOL with regard to this, I'm now putting a monitor on your ankle so I know that you're not consuming. If it goes in lockout again, I will put you in jail. I want you to know that. I'm not going to do this again with you. Do you understand? You've been in lockout for a significant amount of time, and it's not fair, because I normally would put people in jail lickety-split for something like this. Do you understand?
Sure.
I will not play this game with you again. It is your responsibility to charge it on a daily basis. It is your responsibility to know what you are putting in your body, as far as, whether it be mouthwash, hair dye, a tequila lollipop. I've heard it all, and I don't care for excuses. It is your responsibility to know. You've got such a great team of lawyers. There's just no excuse.
Sure.
I will waive the fee so that there's no excuse for, well, I can't pay for this. I can't. No. Do you understand?
Your Honor.
What you do on your time is you. As long as I know that you're not using, I'm happy. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'll be happy once he checks into the medical point. You can alert the DAs, the court. everybody
Yeah, I guess,
there.
we're going to give him the SCRAM device today. Just keep us in the loop as far as, the cases are too terribly old. It's not old. So just keep us in the loop of when he's released. You have to calibrate this thing on, I think it's monthly. So make sure that you calibrate this thing like it's supposed to. They have to download it. You've got to charge it. So make sure you know of everything you can and can't do. You understand, Mr. Jones?